What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. And guys, I know I've been a little inconsistent with my videos, but I'll make sure to upload at least one video every single week. And yeah, if you haven't done so, please do check out my Dubai travel vlogs. I'll leave the links in the description below. And today's video, it is going to be about the Mercedes-Benz S-Class maintenance video. I gave it to service a couple of days back and I'm going to collect it today. I'll be talking about all the costs, how much it costs to service the car, and we've had the car for close to 4 years now. I'll be talking about all the services cost and everything related to the maintenance part till now in today's video. So make sure you watch until the end, and now let's go get the car from service. Okay guys, the payment is done. We are waiting for the car and here it is. Let me finish here. We'll go back in the car and then we'll talk about it. Okay, here it is, and this is the gate pass. I hope everything is okay now. There were a few issues with the car and I hope everything is sorted out. We had removed this because of the auxiliary battery malfunction. Key not detected. They haven't changed this key, the battery in this key. Okay, let me go back and continue later. And guys, it's 6 o'clock in the evening now and everything seems to be perfect now. There are no issues as such. The brake noise was terrible and now all that is rectified. It is all sorted out. It's almost getting dark now. If I go back home early, I'll continue the vlog, or else you will see me tomorrow. And yeah, everything, the battery is also working now. So the engine start stop function, when you are waiting in a traffic signal, the engine start stop function wasn't working before. Now that is also rectified. Alright guys, it's day 2. So let's straight away continue with the vlog. Yesterday I couldn't record because I had some other work. Now let's continue. Okay, this is the service bill, and when I gave it, the kilometers was 20,608 kilometers. And this is the 4th service guys. I'm sorry, I have done some things to cover the address and everything. And now the first part is the engine bay care and alloy wheel enrichment. Each of these cost 2,124 rupees each. So that's 4,200 something. Let me show you what they do. So the engine bay care is, they clean the entire engine compartment. Wow, look at that. This looks so fresh now. So this was 2,124 rupees. And the alloy wheel enrichment, they clean it from the inside. That is what they told, but I don't know if they've done that. I can't see that. So that's the alloy wheel enrichment package or something. If I wanted, I could have skipped these two and saved 4,000 rupees, but it's okay. The car has to look good. And then coming to the service part, this is the labor for the 4th service, which is for 60,000 kilometers or 4 years, and the total amount is 22,756 rupees. And localize rectify noises findings, that they have charged 330 rupees. The left side door, it was rattling a little bit, so this is fixed now. They have charged 330 rupees for that. And remove and reinstall 4 brake linings. So the brake pads were completely worn out, and that's the reason I had to change that. And for that the labor is 1,978 rupees. And that's all in this page. Brake pads. The front brake pads cost me 21,845 rupees. Both the that means 2 pairs, 4 total. That was 21,845 rupees. The brake pad wear sensor is another 1,981. Engine oil is 10,301 rupees. And the oil filter element is 2,200. Air filter is 15,173 rupees, and the combination filter is 14,597. These two are very expensive. And the auxiliary battery, which I told you about, it wasn't the engine start stop function wasn't working, so that cost around 14,983 rupees. Some contracept spray and windshield washer fluid is 396 rupees for filling water. Brake fluid is 2,548 rupees. So these are the costs. Let me show you the air filter part and the brake pads. So here you go. These are the worn out brake pads. There was one which was completely gone, guys. I think it's this one. Look at this. This is completely worn out. The others look okay to me, but we had to change it. These are the brake pads and the sensors. This is the combination air filter. This is for the AC air filter. That's what they told. And look at these. So these were also replaced. And this is the original air filter insert. The Mercedes-Benz, I think there are 4 here, 4 or 5. So we have changed these also. So these are the parts which have been replaced. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the service. And the total cost is 1,16,153 rupees for the 4th year service. It was going to be higher, but the kilometers weren't that much. So if we had driven it for 60,000 kilometers, I think it would have costed us another 50,000, because we had to change the transmission oil and all those other things. So yeah, 1,16,153 rupees. They still haven't given me the batteries for the key. That is another 1,700. They told they'll give it today, so I'm waiting for it. That isn't added. They'll give it here, and then I have to pay the amount. And this is the vehicle health. The tires are good, front is good, back is okay. Brake pads are new, front is good, the back is in the middle. Brake discs, I don't know why we have to change the brake disc after 20,000 kilometers. They've mentioned front brake disc has to be replaced next time. Battery is in good condition now, genuine, and all these other things. So for this service, this is done. Until now, we got the car in August of 2016. Now it has been 4 years since we got the car, and this is the complete service history. Let me show that to you one by one. It doesn't take much time. Initially, when we got the car, we weren't driving it that much, because we had an Endeavour. We had an old Endeavour before. We had a Pajero Sport, and the Audi was there, so we weren't using this car that much. That's why the first service was done at just 4,604 kilometers. It had to be 15,000 or 1 year, so after 1 year it was just 4,604. And for the second service, it had to be 30,000 kilometers, but we had driven another 4,000, so 8,622 kilometers. So in 2 years we had done only 8,622, and last year it was 45,000 kilometers, or 3 years, but the kilometer reading was just 12,308. So that was another 4,000 kilometer increase. And this year it was like you saw, 20,608. This year was the highest. We have driven around 8,000 kilometers. So in the initial 3 years it was just 12,000, 4,200 for every year. So we have to put good use for this car also, because there's no point in spending so much for service and not driving it at all. And that's the reason this year we'll see. It's at 20,608. We'll try to make it at least 30,608 next year when we give it to service. So this is for the first service: engine oil, air filter, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. And the labor was 20,000 rupees. So the total cost was 44,899 rupees for the first service, and for the second service they changed the engine oil, again the air filter and routine package, and the labor cost is 20,000 rupees, sorry 17,678. So the total amount for second service was 74,987.4. And this was last year when the third routine yearly maintenance. So the parts cost us 76,505. Last year we changed the brake pads. This was at 12,308 kilometers. We changed all the brake pads, and now after 8,000 kilometers we had to change the front brake pads. I don't know why. Just for 8,000 kilometers the brake pads are wearing out. For my Ford Endeavour it's been 27,000 kilometers and I still haven't changed the brake pads. So this is insane for just 8,000 kilometers. So the parts were 76,505. This included the air filter, brake pads and all those other things. And the service part for labor, it is 14,813 rupees. So the total was 98,830.9. This was for the third year, and like you saw, this was for this year. So the total for 4 years is 3,31,871 rupees. And so there you go guys, this is the complete service history, the 4 years maintenance of the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. I think that's pretty okay. The only thing I'm not happy about is the brake pads. They're wearing out after just 8,000 kilometers. I think they should last around to 15 at least minimum. But that also depends upon our driving, so it varies from car to car, person's driving to driving. Overall, I can say that I'm happy with this so far. But the thing is, we haven't driven it a lot. It is just 20,000. As it keeps, the kilometers keep increasing, the service cost is also going to increase. Like you saw, first 44, 74, there was a 30,000 increase, and then 95, another 20,000 increase, and now from 95 to 1,16,000, another 25,000 increase. So every year it's increasing, it's not decreasing in any way. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you liked it. The Dubai's expenses video will come after this video, so please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video about the Dubai expenses. Until then, take care, bye bye, peace.